all of this family,
Get
they
this
know
from
the
one
truth.
on Aduke's platform. They all know something. All of them. We are just the, how do I call it? It's like we are the running donkeys. Yeah, whatever they say, we'll come and analyze it. Hey, they've said this or they've said that. They are just Nemo Siwa like that. I beg you. They come here and give us lamba and we'll buy it. They know, all of them.
Because
All
see
of
also
them.
the reason I said it is this. On the norms, Baba Mohbad is a Yoruba man, right? Iya Mohbad is a Yoruba woman. Baba Mohbad is from Ekiti. They have strong head though. They have strong head. Okay, you now went to where your child, you met the cop of your child that your child is not even sick. Oh. You just went there and met the death of your child. Wumi will not go, as in she will not go konifiararelo, as Yoruba used to say it. They will, on a normal day, Yoruba way me I know would tear Wumi into pieces. I want to know what's wrong with my child. Carry the corpse and go and be eating it. As in, you know that kind of drama that Yoruba people, not to even talk of Ekiti, wey be say they get dangbana shoko for head. They know they grieve for anybody.
Exactly. That's why, because even for that mother to take it lightly, because she was banging on, they were going to give her 5 million or something to start the market with. But
Yeah?
then later she said, Wumi ti bear me. So what would be the reason why Wumi will now
Yeah,
bear you? And
that's why I know that they know a lot.
Iyabo Ojo and Tonto Dickhead. Sorry for that. Toto Dickhead. You know, both of them, they were kneeling right in front of her. What was that for? Them leaning in front of her. Why were they begging her? You know, because that's, if you watch that what's it called, that video recording on YouTube, you
Hey,
see both
sister,
of
you
them, they
know
were on
life.
their knees.
Everything you see.
Why were they begging her? What were they begging her for? Why would they be on their knees in front of Iya Mohbad? Why are they begging her? Because they know something. That Tonto Dickhead and their grandmama, both of them, they know the cocos of the whole thing. That's why they were begging Iya. And actually, that money that they gave to that lady, where is it? Have they now kind of shared the money within them? Because that woman is not supposed to be suffering now. Because that money was quite big. It would have been enough for her to establish herself. What happened to the money?
They've collected it back now.
Oh, they just used it to take picture and they took their money back. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's playing a dangerous game.
You met your
She will
son
suffer.
being
That woman will
embalmed,
suffer. She don't know what she's playing with.
under the staircase, and you just carry it and go to the police station like that. Nibo, you will lock the door. None of you is going out of this house. If they want to kill you, let them kill you.
Exactly.
None of you will go out of this house. What happened to my son? I want to know. That's where everybody will know that something has gone wrong. But
They know something. No.
you just went there and you were like, you carry your son to for where? Ekiti women I know, no, that's not how they do things. So that's not how they do things. That's not how they do things. Not that something is wrong somewhere. What did you do to my son? I want to know. None of you will go out of this house.
Aduke, duty calls. I might come back. I need to do 1 or 2 things.
All right, welcome, Jerry.
I'll see you. I'll be back. Yeah.
See you around.
Right.
Oh, girl.
The prince, it not depend on any situation. The prince, you understand? If you're a Yoruba man, you understand what I'm saying. There is nothing depend on this situation. You met your son being embalmed under the staircase. The next thing, and you met almost like maybe 20 people, as they said it.
But sister, yes, did you watch Ewo Shobuki Jesilin? tó lóun máa fún ìyá Mohbad ní 100,000 lóṣooṣù. Ṣé ìyá
Ṣé ò ta
Mohbad
ni?
máa fọ́ọ̀lù sí ṣá? Bukky Jesse.
Tó ní
Ẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti ń drag ìyá Mohbad látàárọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn MFM àti Tẹ́mi. So ó ní kí ìyá Mohbad ó fẹ́ fa ìyá Mohbad mọ́ra pé òun máa fún ìyá Mohbad ní 100,000 lóṣooṣù. Kí lẹ rò, ṣé rò bíá pé ìyá Mohbad máa fọ́ ó máa gbà fún Bukky Jesse?
ṣe rí nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí kán má waste owó wọn o because wọ́n ti múlẹ̀ fún ìyá Mohbad o.
Ẹ mọ̀ pé Bukky Jesse sọ débi wípé ó ní títí tá máa fi rí justice òun máa fún ìyá Mohbad 100,000 lóṣooṣù.
She just feel like wasting her money, that's what me I know.
Pé ó máa dàbí sálárì
For what?
50,000 lóṣooṣù.
She just want to waste her money. Maybe she have a lot, so she want to spend
Ẹ
it.
jẹ́ ká wo bóyá ìyá Mohbad náà máa fọ́ fún tó bá jẹ́ lébi. Àwọn náà lè fọ́ fún 100,000 lóṣooṣù owó oúnjẹ. Ǹjẹ́ àwọn nǹkan tí ìyá Mohbad máa ṣe bóyá ó máa fọ́ fún bóyá tó mọ̀ pé ìyá Mohbad ti wá síta wá jákè Bukky Jesse rí.
For a whole year. For a whole year. And they did not see anything.
Ga ọ. Lọ fà á.
The prince, me, I understand you. The place is full of cultists. I understand you, but nevertheless, no, mi ní sí ọmọ mi tí mi bá mọ nǹkan tó ṣe o. Bí èmi ṣe lóòótọ́ òkú ọ̀fọ̀ ló kú Mohbad o, but on the norms, Baba too did not fight enough. Let me just say this. Maybe you will understand what I'm saying. He did not man up enough. Just like that. Just like that. Some will be saying nothing wrong with him. You did not hear that, your son is sick. Oh. Baba, your son is sick. Oh. We've rushed him to the hospital. You just said that your son is fine.
Ẹ̀dẹ̀ gbà báyẹn, any God leave it, God take it.
Ọlọ́run
ló fún yín, Ọlọ́run ti gbà padà.
Ṣé Ọlọ́run máa dédé gbà lẹ́yìn ṣe kó sick
lẹ́yìn ṣe kó sick. Mo kúkú bẹ̀rẹ̀ question yẹn níjọ́ wo. Àwọn èèyàn ní ó ti ní trauma ni, kò mọ nǹkan tó ṣe mọ́. Ókè ó ní trauma kò rí steeris àyàfi tó bá jẹ́ pé steeris yẹn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bàjẹ́ lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí wọ́n ti gbé Mohbad kúrò nílé yẹn lókù. Kí ló dé bàjẹ́? Steeris tí Karimo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá mention ṣé bàbá òre ni? Àbí ìyá Mohbad tó wà nínú ilé yẹn táwọn àlejò wá tán mu malt tán ṣe gbogbo ìyá Mohbad lọ sí that series. Ǹjẹ́ ká bọ́lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ́ ká ṣọ́rọ̀ sọ ká dẹ̀ mo bá ṣe máa gbèjà yẹn mi ò gbèjà yẹn blindly mọ́ o. I'm not supporting anybody blind.
Okay, ó ti lọ far. At the end of the day, what is the outcome?
When I heard about that steerage, I was like, hey. Ṣé bàbá Mohbad want to tell me he did not see that steerage? Àbí ìyá Mohbad?
Okay.
What happened to my life?
The prince. Baba was like, I see duvet soaked of blood. And he just wish the next thing is to go and bury Mohbad just like that. Even if they don't allow him to put it in morgue. Even if they don't give him a police report. There is no nurse at their area that can do embalming. No nurse that can inject. I have nurse. Yes, I know. Ẹ
jẹ́ ká ti accept wípé because Baba met a lot of people in the house, he might not.
I know you are not defending him, I know.
Let's accept that Baba Mohbad met a lot of people in that house. That is the reason why he did not fight. He cannot speak. But after then, when they have gone and buried Baba Mohbad did not even come out and come and seek for justice. Baba Mohbad did not accept in the beginning wípé wọ́n pa Mohbad ni. Ó gbà Baba Mohbad gbà pé Ọlọ́run ló pa Mohbad. ni wọ́n fi sọ pé Ọlọ́run ló fún wa, Ọlọ́run náà ló gbà, God give it, God take it, accepted. We public,
No,
we now
the prince,
came out.
I know you can't keep the dead body at home, but when my grandmother died, my grandmother was like, they should not put me in morgue, you understand? And maybe we embalmed her in her room for 3 days, you understand? Because I have some nurses and doctor that they do that thing. They embalmed her in her room for 3 days before all of our children, the rest of our children came that year. So we now buried her after 3 days. Why can't Baba was like, I will not bury this one, even if police did not allow me. And from there, people will know that something is wrong.
Let's be frank. Yes or no. Let's be frank. Immediately when Mohbad died, both Wunmi, both everybody, Baba, they accept wípé oku náà nìyẹn. That is what they are. It is we, the public, that come out and say, wọ́n pa ni. Before Baba to now join us and say, yes, I want justice for my son. You understand? Let's be frank. All of them did not accept wípé wọ́n pa Mohbad ní láti beginning. Every public did not say wọ́n pa ni.
Ìbí bàbá ní òun rí Juve tó soak of blood. Ṣé Ọlọ́run náà ló mú blood tó fi sókè nígbà tí Mohbad kú tí Juve fi soak of blood? Ṣé àmúwá Ọlọ́run náà ni? Àbí bàbá no know wetin dey talk? Àbí na lie bàbá sef dey lie? Make we talk the truth.
Ẹ̀kẹ́ ìgbà tí wọ́n wá sọ wípé èrò pọ̀ nínú ilé yẹn, like bíi 20 people ló wà nínú ilé yẹn nígbà tí bàbá dé inú ilé. Ṣé ká sọ wípé gbogbo 20 people yẹn náà fẹ́ pa bàbá Mohbad? Tí bàbá Mohbad bá ní kí ló pa ọmọ mi, àbí tí ìyá Mohbad bá ní kí ló pa ọmọ mi, àbí tó ń béèrè question, ṣé ọ ní PA Davido, Zlatan, gbogbo wọn yẹn, ṣé ká sọ pé gbogbo wọn náà fẹ́ pa ìyá Mohbad àti bàbá Mohbad? Ṣé ká sọ pé gbogbo wọn náà fẹ́ pa ìyá Mohbad àti bàbá Mohbad lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà? Àwa ní rẹ́ni tó máa ní ẹ má pa wọn, kán tiẹ̀ wá lù wọ́n gan, kán lu bàbá Mohbad, kójú bàbá Mohbad wú, kó wá jáde láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ keje pé ẹ gbà mí o, torí mo béèrè pé kí ló pa Mohbad, kí ló pa ọmọ mi, náà ṣe nù mí, tójú mi wú o, tẹ́sẹ̀ mi kọ́, náà fi mí pamọ́ fún 2 days, náà fi mí pamọ́ fún 10 days, lẹ̀ ṣe rí mi mọ́, náà ṣe kidnap mi o. Nǹkan tó fi lè mú bàbá Mohbad, ìyá Mohbad, Wunmi, gbogbo wọn tí wọ́n accept, gbogbo wọn ti accept pé Mohbad ti kú. Our public la sọ pé wọ́n pa Mohbad. We public come out and come and say they kill Mohbad. We will not gree. No gree for anybody. They kill Mohbad. They kpai Mohbad. None of the family come out and say they kpai him. Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? None of them came out and say they kpai him. It was only the public that said they kpai Mohbad. They accept that it is God that kpai Mohbad. Baba accept that God kpai Mohbad. Wunmi self accept. That is why none of them in the beginning, even Iya Mohbad, it took Iya Mohbad almost 1 month, how many weeks before Iya Mohbad could come out to pé mi ò kú o, I did not die o, I am alive o, èmi ni Iya Mohbad o, I am the one o, I am the mother of Mohbad o. Why not Iya Mohbad not coming out in the beginning that wọ́n pa ọmọ mi, that they kpai my boy, they kpai my son? It took him like 4 weeks or how many weeks before she could come out. She even come out. What makes Iya Mohbad come out and join us on Justice for Mohbad is because of the money that they were donating on Instagram, on Facebook, everywhere. If the money is not involved, Iya Mohbad will not come out. Or if the public did not say they kpai Mohbad because Mohbad did not have mother, because Mohbad mother has kpai because Mohbad mother have died, that is why they are able to find him. That is when Iya Mohbad will rush out and say, hey, mi ò kú o. Where are they in the beginning? They are not. Baba too, in the beginning, Baba did not, until Perkins carried the camera to Baba Mohbad and go and say, see where Baba Mohbad is living. I will be till Baba Mohbad in me. Did Baba Mohbad come out anywhere and ask for and say they find my son? Baba Mohbad never say it anywhere until we public. We put it on our own head. That is when Baba Mohbad now come and say, I want justice. I believe they find my son. Why are you not saying it in the beginning? Me, I am not supporting anybody blindly. Even Mohbad himself. If I see in the story along the line, if I see anywhere that Mohbad is supposed to be called out, even though he has mine, I will just say it in a low way, like, Mohbad even did wrong in this aspect. But as long as he has mine, he didn't have any opportunity again. But Baba Mohbad still have opportunity to ask. I said it one day, is it not on Paparano live stream, that no Abiyamo will come and the Abiyamo will meet his or her child on the floor, fine, and he will not even check. He will not even carry the hand up. Let me check. Maybe this boy has died. True. You will carry the hand up and throw it down. You know how the hand used to do bagada when somebody asks mine. Is Iya Mohbad not doing the same thing? They don't even cross-check. How did they not know that there is stab on Mohbad's body? Because they do not even cross-check. They went there, they see that Mohbad is already, even though they embalm him, they put bag of salt. A good Abiyamo, both the father and mother. They will remove the salt and still reconfirm. Let me confirm you people are lying. My son in Canada is not that. I still talked to him on phone yesterday. I still saw him on the live stream on Action Beta show on Ikorodu Tower yesterday. No, let me reconfirm. If they lie, may they use Oja Abiyamo to wrap that body of the wine. Good Abiyamo will still cross-check. Why are you people being sentimental? No, now. But if we talk now, they will say we are anti-justice. All they could say is because Baba Mohbad is on trauma. Immediately, Baba Mohbad hear it with his ear that Mohbad don't mind he paralyzed, that he has trauma immediately. You people are being sentimental. You people are just lying to yourself. That is why I said I am not supporting Baba Mohbad blindly.
Okay, that one don't go. Let me go back to Papariano. Papariano said, Celesta, good morning. Papariano said me I used to bash him. Abi, what they did for me, what they did between me and Aries that time, they have did it to Papariano, and he was thinking maybe I'm the one. Except maybe he have the proof, sha. Because me have not go to
He
anywhere
has the
to buy.
proof now. He said he has the proof that Mohbad Junior now. I drag it with him. He said no.
Okay.
Maybe
at
it is
at night.
possible. It is possible. It is possible we abuse Papa and but Emi Kim Busha I Jamie Kim because
maybe at night, because these days I don't have time to come on live like that.
he said you are no more success and no more Bolale. He intentionally asked me to invite you, welcome. He said I should invite you. Anyways, anytime tí Paparano bá wá síbí báyìí òun ló máa ń béèrè yín. Ó ṣáà máa ń béèrè yín ṣá. But the story is not as straight as you are saying it. How is it not straight as I am saying it? No Abiyamo. We reach where they said in son or in daughter don't mind, and you will not cross-check.
The prince don't understand what we are saying. You don't.
Most especially the mother. The mother, we woman
and the
that we
mother
like wahala, that we like,
then
you will still carry the boy on your leg.
okay, it's not
Check
about
his
wahala.
mouth.
Ọmọ tíyàn bí nínú, you will now see him pé ó kú sílẹ̀lẹ̀. Ọmọ tó bí tó mọ bó ṣe bí ọmọ yẹn ọ̀kín. Eléyìí ò ń ṣe wàhálà, normal thing fóbìnrin ni.
Okay, let's even forget the cross check. They did not cross check. Maybe they stop him. Let's talk about, did Iya Mohbad come out and say, wọ́n pa ọmọ mi ni? Has Iya Mohbad ever says that they kpai my son?
Ẹ bá mi wá náírà o.
Did Baba Mohbad ever say they kpai my son in the beginning? Did Baba Mohbad say that in the beginning? Did not. Until they assume, until we public, we change we curse Baba Mohbad that he kpai Mohbad. That is when he comes to his senses that they kpai Mohbad. Did Adura come out and say they kpai until Corona inquest? Did Blessing come out and say they kpai my brother? No one. Did Iya Mohbad say? It took Iya Mohbad 2 weeks before she could come and join us. 2 weeks. 2 weeks before a mother come and join us. We that we are not the mother, we are not the family. We don't even eat 1 naira out of Mohbad money. I beg. I cannot fight for anybody blindly on this justice for Mohbad anymore. No. I cannot. Baba Mohbad, you are going to the court, either you like it or not. You are going to the court. Iya Mohbad, you are going to the court, either you like it or not. Àyàfi.
So Iya Mohbad and Papa Mohbad no know where them go, where them for day now. Even if the guy is not taking care of her father, except his father, but the mother.
Ó kàn jẹ́ láì pélé tìṣú ni mi bá sọ pé àdàbí. If Baba Mohbad come out as early as possible and come and say it, pé wọ́n pa ọmọ mi ni, àdàbí. If Baba Iya Mohbad come out immediately and said wọ́n pa ọmọ mi ni, àdàbí nìkan. You people should stop it, Joe.
Sorry, please, I'll turn on like 1 minute. Come, put on here for now.
Àdàbí tí any of them back cross check Mohbad body logo. How is it that it is on camera? It is the public that find out that they stab Mohbad. Why? Why is it public? That means the stab is a lie, right? How can the parents not check their bàbá ọmọ gbọ́dọ̀ fojú kan òkú? It is not immediately.
Irú òkú ilé ẹ̀kọ́ ni wọ́n sọ ọ̀kín. Irú òkú ilé ẹ̀kọ́ náà ń sọ jàre. Òkú pé bóyá lásídẹ̀ǹtì, òkú pé ó sùn kò jí, àmọ́ òkú kan pa ọmọ ẹ̀, which is glaring.
Why you check?
They play.
It is that Owe is for late hour. But Owe wípé that Owe, it is not immediately when they call you. You will first you should, me, I did not support anybody blindly again, and you people should accept it. That is my opinion. Leave me. Don't force me. That is my opinion. I am entitled to my opinion. And all these things, I know it from the beginning. But because they were nailing Baba Mohbad to death on social media, that is why I fight for him, and I ignore all those things that tó bá tásìkò àti ṣùfù rálá ẹ̀kọ́ máa fojú wọn mọ̀ hàn. Àdàbí if Baba Mohbad come as early, if not for Perkins, that go and carry camera and say, see Baba Mohbad house, see Baba Mohbad house, see Baba Kinikan house. If it is not for Perkins, Iya Mohbad, Adabi, if you come out immediately and ask, wọ́n pa ọmọ mi ni. But if you did not, mi ò jẹ̀bi yín, Baba Mohbad mi ò jẹ̀bi yín, Iya Mohbad mi ò jẹ̀bi anybody yín. Kò dẹ̀ ṣépè tí gbogbo yín lè ṣe lórí social media tó lè mú mi. Àdàbí tí mi ìbá tún wá jà fún yín lóko, tí mi fi gbogbo agbára, gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ní, tí mi fi, mo náwó, mo ná ara, mo tún ná time, mo tún waste data, mo tún waste energy, mo tún charge phone, mo tún ra phone, mo tún ra data, mo tún sanwó wifi. Àdàbí if I did not invest in justice for Mohbad nìkan lẹ́yìn team justice ìwèrè tẹ́ ṣe pé nìkan lè pín in máa mú mi lóko. Àdàbí if Iya Mohbad come out and say they kpai my child.
Okay, èmi mo fẹ́ lọ múra ibi iṣẹ́ later.
Ní ilẹ̀ tí mọ́jà rẹ̀ ó dàárọ̀.
Later.
Àdàbí nìkan ló kù. Àdàbí nìkan òun ló kù nìkan lè pé yín máa mú mi. Àyàfi only if Baba Mohbad cross-check Mohbad body before he move it. Only if Iya Mohbad herself, abiyamọ orí most especially that Iya Mohbad olórí burúkú yẹn. Àdàbí, Iya Mohbad, Àdàbí nìkan. If you come out immediately and say they kpai, you people did not accept that they kpai your son. It was the public that come and shout that we will not agree. They kpai Mohbad. You parents did not come out. You would never say it anywhere, either in video, either in anything that one. Even the day Baba Mohbad was narrating the story, the very first day that Baba Mohbad narrated the story of mo wá gbé lọ sí mọ́ṣúárì, mo wá gbé lọ sí police station, wọ́n fún mi ní police report, mo wá gbé lọ sí kíníkan. Àdàbí if you say it ní pé they kpai your Mohbad in that narrative. If not for Perkins that camera you that your house is not fine, your house is not kíníkan. And Àdàbí if I did not fight for you with all my blood and my energy, even my money, àyàfi Àdàbí nìkan ni. You people are mad. Justice for Mohbad, for calling me anti-justice, for abusing me. You are an ingrate. Àdàbí, ó máa jà gbogbo yín. Tomorrow I will be even playing that Baba Mohbad. Àdàbí, what is that song self? Àdàbí kíníkan. There is one song like that. Baba Mohbad said Àdàbí. Only if you cross-check your son's body, Iya Mohbad. Only if you came out in 5 days that they kpai your son. Only if you say it anywhere, if not recently, that you are now saying, Baba Mohbad ló ní kó lọ gún Mohbad pa. Iya Mohbad. Only if you ask that question the day you went to that house. Only if. Even though you ask, for you not coming to the public and come and say they kpai your son, until we public, we are the public that said no, we no go agree they kpai Mohbad. Only if all your causes Tolani Ilesanmi, only if Iya Mohbad asks for what kpai Mohbad. Only if the mother, only if the father, if not for Perkins that go and camera his house. Tolani Ilesanmi, Comfy TikTok, only if Àdàbí nìkan ló máa dà fún yín ẹ̀yin wèrè. TikTok, Comfy and everybody, Àdàbí if I did not fight Vejansi, York, anybody tẹ́ bá ń porí àǹtí Àdùkẹ́, àdàbí máa já gbogbo yín. Because I know very well that Baba Mohbad is innocent. He did not kpai Mohbad. And I believe in him. And I can support him to work with anybody. Even though it is Karimo, work with Karimo. Even though it is a snake, work with a snake. Because I believe Baba Mohbad did not kpai Mohbad. Tolani Ilesanmi, Tito Konfi, and all of you now, may they swear, be the cause thing Mohbad, be me. Or whenever you see me joining your life, and the panelists that used to tag me, and the comment section that used to abuse me, Adabi, if I did not waste my energy, my effort, my time, and believe Adabi me, but believe we Baba Mohbad is innocent. Ṣùgbọ́n tí mo ní believe, when I have the belief that Baba Mohbad kò sí ńbẹ̀ ìgbà tọ́mọ yẹn kú, Adabi nìkan ló máa jà lórí gbogbo yín. Màá tún tọwọ́ bọ̀dí gan ṣépè fún yín gan, màá fi padà bí lẹ́yìn lórí. Ẹ̀yin wèrè játijàti. Adabi tẹ́ bá tag mi comment section kẹ́ drag mi nìkan ló kù. Ẹ ti ya wèrè. Nìkan ló máa dá fún gbogbo yín. Tọ́lání Ilésanmí, ìwọ náà bímọ o. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ drag mi àǹtí Àdùkẹ́. Adabi máa dá. Only if Ìyá Mohbad, Ìyá Mohbad mother asks or come out and say, wọ́n pa Mohbad immediately. It took Ìyá Mohbad 2 weeks before she could come out and say they kpai Mohbad. Everybody that tagged me anti-justice, Adabi máa jà gbogbo yín. Adabi, if Ìyá Mohbad come out and say they kpai Mohbad, I will call this Adabi many times for you. Adabi, if Ìyá Mohbad asks or come out and say, Adabi, if Ìyá Mohbad stay 2 weeks before he could come out to the public and come and declare himself as Ìyá Mohbad, Adabi, Kondomada. Adabi tẹ́ ẹ bá tag mi in comment section, ẹ tag mi láti justice bú mi ṣépè fún mi. Adabi tí mi bá contribute to justice for Mohbad lókù. Adabi ó máa dá fún gbogbo yín. Because if the family cannot come out immediately and come and say wọ́n pa ọmọ mi ni, and the public now come out and say wọ́n pa Mohbad ni, you people are now Adabi, gbogbo ẹ̀yin comment section. Adabi ló máa dá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin comment section àti panelist. Everybody, I cannot mention all of your name. Adabi ló máa dá fún yín. Àti team Latio, Lati Snell, àti team Westo, àti team Arifa, àti team anybody. Adabi. Adabi tí mo bá lose iṣẹ́ nítorí justice for Mohbad lókù. Adabi tó bá jẹ́ pé landlord kò tí lé mi kúrò nílé pé kí ló kàn mí tí mo máa pariwo disturb òun nítorí justice for Mohbad. Adabi yẹn nìkan ló máa dá fún gbogbo yín. Tọ́lání Ilésanmí, Tito Konfi, gbogbo yín pátápátá tẹ́ ẹ porí èmi àti Àdùkẹ́, àbí ẹ̀kan tí ẹ kó mi, àbí ẹ̀kan tí ẹ sùn. Adabi ló máa dá fún gbogbo yín. Ẹ̀yin wèrè játijàti. Ẹ̀yin wèrè játijàti. Only if I did not invest, I lose my job, I waste my time, I've changed different kind of houses. because I am fighting for who find this boy. And you people can tag me in the comment section and be calling my names everywhere. Only if I did not invest my blood, my time, my Adabi ló máa dá fún gbogbo yín. Adabi ló máa dá fún gbogbo yín pátápátá. If you continue to ẹ̀yin ingrate òṣì játijàti. Adabi, if they did not swear, they did not carry my mommy picture, my daddy picture, or my unborn baby picture, or anybody's picture and swear on Temi platform, on MFM platform, or Wumi platform. Adabi, ló máa dá fún gbogbo yín. Ẹ̀yin olóṣì ingrate játijàti. I'll come for Baba Mohbad 1 million times until Baba Mohbad do the needful. Because in the beginning, Baba Mohbad did not ask for justice. He did not ask for what my son. Assuming Baba Mohbad asked for, he believe. Assuming Mr. Joseph Aloba, assuming you believe very well that your son, Emmanuel Ilegioluwa Aloba Mohbad, light, assuming you believe the day he find that they your child, Baba Mohbad, Adabi nìkan ló kù. Adabi, if he did not say Olúwa ló fún mi, Olúwa ló gbà, God give it, God take it, nìkan ló kù. Since you did not believe from the beginning, why are you now coming out and acting this way right now? Adabi, you know what? You should Baba Mohbad, you should even be paying me self. Oya wèrè. Àwọn tí mo wèrè kan, they were now cursing, they were now Adabi máa dá fún gbogbo yín. Ẹ̀yin wèrè játijàti. Adabi, if I can still come to Nigeria and work freely just because I do you know in this justice for Mohbad there are some things that I cannot even do again. Me that I used to carry my face out. Adabi nìkan ló kù. You people should do the rightful thing, láì ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Adabi mi dẹ̀ máa jà lẹ́yìn lórí. Ẹ̀yin wèrè yìí. Adabi, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ kárí justice, tẹ́ ń fi justice yìí tẹ́ fi ń pa owó, cause I am very, very, very poor. I am not doing this because of fucking money. I jump into it with a clear mind, believing that they find that boy, which the parents both family and both parents, they did not believe they find that guy. Adabi, if I believe that they find the guy in the Colomada, you people should continue tagging me in the comment section. Continue abusing me, continue swearing for me, and continue in any platform. If you are a moderator or panelist or commentator or ESA or money work, and you mention my name and you tag me and just sit in the comment section, Adabi nìkan ló máa dá fún gbogbo yín. Adabi ni máa tẹ̀ wá máa pè lẹ́yìn lórí. Because if the parent did not believe that they find their own son in Ilegioluwa Aloba, even Mr. Aloba, Mr. Joseph Aloba, Baba Mohbad, he did not believe in the beginning that they find Mohbad, but I believe they find him. Adabi nìkan ló máa dá. In fact, anywhere that Mohbad's soul is right now, Mohbad's soul. Adabi tó bá kó sí mi nínú tí mo fi ń ṣe justice for Mohbad from the beginning. Look, Adabi, if you did not use me to be fighting and be shouting and be crying and be using the only platform that God gave me, Mohbad's soul, Adabi nìkan ló máa dá fún gbogbo èèyàn tó bá ṣépè fún mi àbí tó bá nail me or call me anti-justice in this movement of justice for Mohbad. Mohbad's soul, mo pe orí ẹ̀ láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù yìí. Adabi, fight. If you did not fight because of your mother and your father, fight because of me, because I've lost a lot in this justice of yours, in this movement of this justice. Only if Adabilo Mata no jati.
bí kọ́mọ yẹn ṣubú dànù bí kọ́mọ yẹn ṣubú ẹ̀ṣá kí ló dé èèyàn wá ilé ayé lọmọlọ́mọ wáyé ni ẹ̀ sì kó fò kẹ́kẹ́ sí òfò ẹsẹ̀ ìyá kẹrin iwájú àrímọ́ ká má rímọ́ ká má pàdé mọ́ ká má rìnà kó ọmọ òfò ká má ṣìbì ọlọ́run mo tún gbàdúrà o bó bá kúrú Kàrímọ́ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ mọ́ fún mi dákun ọlọ́run mọ́ fún mi o òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ni èyí téèyàn ó fi wá dàgbà tọ́jọ́ ogbó wà kan irú eléyìí èyàn ò gbọ́dọ̀ ará àwọn àgbàlagbà míì tó máa ń ní stroke tó máa ń ní gbogbo ẹgbà tó bá dàgbà tán eléyìí àfojú wọn hàn wèrè Kàrímọ́ àṣírí ẹ̀ tú ni Kàrímọ́ mọ̀ pé olórí burúkú ẹ̀ wà níbí báyìí mọ̀ pé mo sọ fún ẹ mo ní sẹ́ẹ̀ sórí bàbá Liam akànròpó kú ni ó kú ẹni ẹlẹ́ni kú ó mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ wàá kó àwọn kan bọ́ tanu yọ́ọ́yọ́ kò yé ó sì wáá fi ẹ̀yìn olórí ibú kan ṣẹ̀sìn àwọn èèyàn bíi tiẹ̀ ó wáá folórí burúkú yín ó wáá fi ṣẹ̀sìn olórí burúkú òmùyà tiẹ̀ ló fọ́ ọmọ òfò ọmọ àdánù lórí ibú ọmọ pọ̀ bí ọ̀sán bọ́ ọmọ wọlé ìyàbú ẹkún lórí burúkú oníwájú pọ̀ngbá bíi ṣaláìsàn ọ̀kadà wèrè onímú rẹ́ mọ́lẹ̀ bí ọ̀nà Ìbàdàn Lagos express road elétè bọ̀ọ̀lì elétè tìpolo bí ìdí ìbọn ọmọkọ́mọ ọmọ àlè ọmọ játijàti ṣerú yín sì ń bẹ láyé ó gbẹ́nu tìpolo òfò níbi táwọn kan ti ń gbàdúrà pé báwọn ìyá àwọn ṣe ń dàgbà lójoojúmọ́ káwọn ó rí báwọn ṣe máa tọ́jú àwọn àgbàlagbà àwọn olórí ibú tiẹ̀ rẹ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹ́yìnyẹn yí pẹ̀pẹ̀ ìyá yẹ́yìnyẹn ìyá yẹ́yìnyẹn ìyá yẹ́yìnyẹn ìyá yẹ́yìnyẹn olórí burúkú kan náà àbí inú pé mo pè yẹ́ ẹ̀ lórúkọ o kò ní jọ dáa fún yín pọ̀ Kàrímọ́ olórí burúkú oní give away sọnù wèrè ó ń wèrè ó ní 50 kọ́bọ̀ àwítàwí wèrè kó sí bọ́ksàsì 50 naira tí wọ́n ń tà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ Òdùmọ̀tà olóṣì ojú wèrè ti tínrín bàbá Liam ti ń kógi bo wèrè látijọ́ yìí ó ti fún wèrè gbẹ ò ní ṣoríire ṣẹ́yìn ò rína ni ojú yín fọ́ ni ẹ̀ rína ẹ̀ tí mọ̀ pé ọlọ́run fúnra ara ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ àní kọ́ọ̀sì Mohbad ọlọ́run fúnra ara ọlọ́run báyìí ó ṣe kíni go ahead Daddy Liam go ahead ẹ̀yin olórí ibú wọn náà máa respect òkú lẹ́yìn tó kú bá lọ tán ni ẹ̀yin ò respect òkú kankan respect ẹ̀ láyé respect ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn kò ní yọ ọ́ Kàrímọ́ ká má rí ẹ mọ́ ká má pàdé ẹ mọ́ ò ní ṣoríire ó ṣòfò níṣẹ́ ó ṣòfò ní Kàrímọ́ ọlọ́run ti gbé ẹ rí already kí ló jẹ́ èèyàn ò gbọ́dọ̀ máa wo bàtà ẹsẹ̀ ojúpa ẹsẹ̀ footsteps èèyàn ò gbọ́dọ̀ fẹsẹ̀ lé ayé ẹni yẹn ó ti bend pátápátá ni olórí burúkú ẹni àìjírí ẹni àìjíkò èèyàn bá pàdé irú Kàrímọ́ èèyàn máa padà lọ sùn ní owó lọ tóorun sùn nítorí bó bá fẹ́ lọ gba sẹ́wọ̀n ò ní fún ọ dáyẹ̀ wá débi iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n á ní hello good morning kíní kan I'm here for an interview nígbà náà ló gbọ́ tí wọ́n ní wọ̀kọ́sẹ̀ wọ́n sì máa wo fọ́tò ẹ̀ wọ́n ní no àìwọ́ kọ́ làwọn fẹ́ gbéṣẹ́ fún ẹ bá kó Kàrímọ́ lọ́nà ẹ rèé sùn ẹlẹ́nu yọ̀rọ̀ ó kọ̀rọ̀ pé ó ní wèrè lórí Ọlọ́run gbá àwọn èèyàn kan dìde tó jẹ́ pé wèrè orí wọn 247 ni wèrè yẹn sì kalẹ̀ wọ́n fún lábẹ́rẹ́ kì í sùn wọ́n sì kan kì í ẹ máa kàn bọ́ síta tí ó bá ṣe pẹ́rú Ọlọ́run ò bá olórí burúkú ẹ̀ Kàrímọ́ tẹ́rù Ọlọ́run ò bá ẹ àtolórí ibú àwọn wèrè ará yòókù lórí ibú irú dáńkó ara wa ní èṣù bèlèkè tí wọ́n fi sọ̀kò dànù tí ń pera ẹ̀ láyàsì ó ń wèrè aláyé bàjẹ́ ìbíyùn náà níyà àwọn ò gbádùn ó níyà àwọn ò dáa olórí ibú wèrè ó ń gbó wèrè ó ń gbaná ọlọ́kà tẹ́ ń kọbù olórí burúkú gbogbo àwọn ìyá àlùbáríkà àwọn àǹtí ìdùnnú àwọn bàbá àlùbáríkà àwọn uncles àwọn aunties tó jẹ́ pé yes èló lórí ibú yín ná èló lẹ ní ẹ mọ nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe day in day out àwọn eléyìí ò tẹ̀ fẹ́ gba thank you sẹ́ wọn ò fẹ́ gba thank you wọn ò fẹ́ thank you kankan látọwọ́ anybody wọ́n kàn ṣe níṣe pé yes ọmọ yìí àwọn ti bí ọmọ yìí lọ́mọ dànù àwọn lọ́mọ yìí lábúrò Liam lè jọmọ àwọn ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ lè gbọ́ lẹ́nu wọn wọ wèrè kan wá bóde lọ́sàn-án òru kan wá ń jáporó kí agboolé wá ṣe bí olórí burúkú ṣe bí ẹ tán ti nà lóògùn Kàrímọ́ bá yí ọmọ l'Amẹ́ríkà máa bọ̀ lé jẹ́ máa padà bọ̀ lé olórí burúkú ọmọ tó kù product òfò ọmọ rédèrèdè gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó wá rí tán dúró wá mú everybody ó gbọ́ ni ènìyàn ṣe bí Ọlọ́run ọba wọn ní kò lè possible ṣó ò rí bó lórí burúkú yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń to gbogbo ẹ̀ wò now 11 months ṣé 11 months ò pọ̀ létí ẹ̀ ni 11 months tó dàbí 101 years ló ṣe rí gbogbo orí burúkú tí gbogbo yín ṣe 11 months yẹn wá dàbí pé àti lò sẹ̀mí kan tó gùn gan-an 11 months yẹn bo adúrú gbogbo orí burúkú tí gbogbo yín ṣe àwọn nǹkan tá a rí rí àwọn nǹkan mẹ́ẹ̀rí rí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó téèyàn ò rí èmi ò rí ibi táwọn ti bú mọ́mì rẹ̀ rí tèmi o mi ò rí ọ̀dọ̀ yín náà mo ti rí wọn ò rí bí abiyamọ òsì abiyamọ bú bíi ti Joseph Alọ́ba mi ò rí ibi téèyàn ti bímọ tí ó sì máa wò sìnkú ọmọ tá a máa wò kú ọmọ báyìí ó náà ná máa sọ wọ́n á sọ pé life is the best experience experience is the best life ṣiṣà bí nǹkan èmi ò tiẹ̀ fẹ́ mọ́ wọn sáwọn ní téèyàn bá sáà ti rí òun gángan lọ̀gá a mọ̀ sí èbó sọ lọ́rọ̀ tá a tiẹ̀ wáyé gan òyìnbó gan kò dún express àwọn nǹkan kan mọ́ báyìí irú wa tá a jọmọ róbótò yìí gan tá a jọmọ kékeré gan a gbọ́dọ̀ come across àwọn nǹkan ọmọ tó ti dolóògbé a bá rìnà kọ àwọn nǹkan ẹ̀ a tún sáùdà fọlọ́ ni pé títóbi rẹ o ká tó wá lọ́mọ tó ti mú wọn proud Joseph Alọ́ba pọmọjogún aláìlójútì ìrankíran olè tó ní dem say kinní kan if I bury him they bury evidence òpònú èní ló ṣe mọ̀ pé ẹ ti bury evidence ni ṣé na today ẹ̀yin tọ́pọlọ yín ti jàn tí làákàyè yín ti rún dànù ọlọ́mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ni ó mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ní ká wáyé ká wá kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni ó mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ní ká wá sílé ayé yìí kí Daddy Liam kó kú bó ṣe kú yẹn so that àwa kan a máa tún tají gìrì á lè mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run wà bíi tàtijọ́ o kò kúrò lórí ìtẹ́ o nǹkan kò ṣéèkì bàbá yẹn. Ẹ wo bí gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe rí. Ẹ wo bí everything ṣe dàrú. N tó máa wá ń ṣe èmi ní kàyéfì torí Kàrímọ́ kò ní dáa fún ọ. Kò síjọ́ tí n bá rántí kinní yẹn báyìí. Á dàbí kọ́fẹ́ kan gbé mi dá Amẹ́ríkà kí n wá mú wèrè ẹ̀ kí n wá lú ẹ̀ bí fùfú òjé ni. Kí n panẹ́ bí ìtì ẹ bí òfì. Báwo ni wọ́n ṣe búlì ọkọ? Títóbi rẹ̀ ọlọ́. Wọ́n búlì Mohbad. Mohbad yìí náà sì pariwo. Ọmọ yẹn lóun ò fẹ́ kú o, mi ò fẹ́ kú o. Ó sọ everybody wọn kọ bí ara. Ẹ̀tún á sọ lórí ibú yín. Ó ṣe tó wá jẹ́ pé irú inú ilé Mohbad yẹn náà ló fò yín. Ẹ̀tún ti wá mú ìbẹ̀lẹ̀ tó the greatest bullying of all times. Inú ìsẹ̀mí bọ̀bọ́ yìí òun ló wà. Inú ìsẹ̀mí Mohbad. Nínú ìsẹ̀mí ẹ̀ òun ló wà. Ìyàwó ẹ̀ wá mú sọ́wọ́. Àǹtí mi mo ti jí o. Orin Bàálíámù mo tẹ̀lé. Badman will Everest. Òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ni. Àwọn kan somebody tún lè ṣe Kàrímọ́ somebody dàlérú. Ìwọ gangan ni bàbá kọrin fún. Somebody tún lè ṣe somebody dàlérú. Àwọn àlùbáríkà àwọn ìyá rere. Wọ́n gbé Ọmọ́wùmí wọ́n gbé bí ẹyin ni. Wọ́n gbé bí làǹkẹ́ ni. Wọ́n tọ́jú ẹ̀ wọ́n tọ́jú ọmọ ẹ̀. Olórí ibú kan wèrè kan wá sán wá. Ó sán wá láti ìtòkò. Olórí ibú ẹni ayé ò yẹ. Ẹni ayé ò yẹ tí inú rí odùn tí ń lá ṣúgà. Jẹ̀díjẹ̀dí ni ó pọ̀ Kàrímọ́. Jẹ̀díjẹ̀dí ni ó pọ̀. Lórí burúkú ẹ̀. Ìwọ wá feel pé kò mọ́mọ. Ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Ọlọ́run ló gbá àwọn èèyàn tí kò ń ṣèyàn wàláì. Tó bá jẹ́ pé èèyàn ló ń rànà ẹ̀ látijọ́ yìí ni. Tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn òun ló dúró tọmọ́wùmí. O ò gbọ́ olórin tó kọrin ni. Báwo ni lady yìí ṣe kọ? Ó ní tó bá jẹ́ ènìyàn ló dúró ni wọ́n á ti máa sọ̀rọ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ ènìyàn ló dúró ni wọ́n á ti sálọ. Tó bá jẹ́ ènìyàn ló dúró ni wọ́n á ti máa ṣìrègùn. Onídúró mi ẹ ṣeun o. Ọlọ́run ló lọ ṣa gbogbo èèyàn jáde. Ọlọ́run ló lọ ṣa gbogbo èèyàn jáde. Àtẹni tí ń yá dátà tí ó fi dúró tọmọ yẹn. Àtàwọn tí ó jẹ́ pé payroll wọn báyìí. Ọmọ́wùmí náà fi wájú, Liam náà fi wájú. Ṣé kò pọ̀ dé tí ẹni Kàrímọ́? Ṣé kò pọ̀ ni? Ṣé ò feel it yẹn pé no? Eléyìí ti wà beyond. Ó ti wà beyond orí burúkú tó ń ṣe kiri agboolé. Kàrímọ́ kò ní dáa fún ọ. Kò ní yí ọ. Bó o ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ orí burúkú tó ló fẹ́ má búrò ẹ̀. O fẹ́ gbé e sẹ́nu láyọ̀nù. Ọmọ́wùmí ó ti win already. Ẹ máa ṣòfò ní Kàrímọ́ àti wo àtàwọn ẹni tó ṣẹ́kù. Ìkúnlẹ̀ àbíamọ kò ní jẹ́ ó dáa fún yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìkúnlẹ̀ àbíamọ ò ní jẹ́ kó dáa fún gbogbo yín. Ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú máa ṣàǹfààní ẹni bí ọ̀tọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Lórí ibú. Aláyé bàjẹ́. Máa ṣe bíi pé ìwọ nìkan náà gbé kalẹ̀. Ìwọ nìkan náà ṣe so fucking what? Sáàrà wọn kan tí wọn ò mọ mú ìyá wọn rí. Wọ́n tún wá ìyá wọn lọ ni. Wọ́n tún wá ìyá wọn pé blood is thicker than water. Kò sí ní tá a fẹ́ àbíamọ wé láyé. Yorùbá ní tá a bá rí ìyá àyàn, tá a bá rí ìyá wa là ń yọ̀. A lè yọrú ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ èèyàn tí ó ń ṣe ìyá wa. Òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí ò sí irọ́ ńbẹ̀. Òótọ́ ni. Bí mo ṣe ti jẹ́ pé mo ti dàgbà tí mo ti tójú bọ́ ẹ̀, tí bá dọ́dọ̀ mọ́mì mi báyìí màá máa ṣe bí ìranú ṣúgà ni. Òótọ́ ni tí wọ́n tiẹ̀ tí wá jẹ́ last born. Ṣé èèyàn lè lọ ṣe wèrè pé èèyàn lè lọ máa fara rò yóò yá ni? Kí ló wá dé táyé yín wá fẹ́ bàjẹ́ tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣòfò dànù? Ẹ dẹ̀ ń wá from every angles, ẹ dẹ̀ ń wá from every corners, ẹ dẹ̀ ń wá gbogbo nǹkan. Ṣọmọwùmí olórí ibú ẹ̀ Kàrímọ́, Ṣọmọwùmí ló ní o sílé ayé wà ni? Ṣó ní kó o ṣílé ayé wà bó ló ní kó o má yàn dáadáa? O ò gbọ́ ni àyànmọ́ ò gbóògùn orílẹ̀ ẹlẹ́jọ́, wọ́n lọ́mọwùmí ń ságùn oríkì ìyáláyà ẹ̀ Kàrímọ́ ló fẹ́ gbọ́, oríkì bọ̀dà Múkáílà ló fẹ́ gbọ́, torí bọ̀dà Múkáílà làtọ̀ ẹ̀ kan lórí ibú. Irú ẹ̀ lẹ́nu rúnrún ó máa sọ pé yóò dáa fáwọn ẹ̀ tó adopt Wùmí àti Wùmí fúnra rẹ̀ kò ní dáa fún ọ Kàrímọ́, kò ní yí ọ́. Ṣé èèyàn máa ń báyàn tọ̀ kò fà ní tọ̀yà ni? No, like seriously, ṣé èèyàn máa ń báyàn tọ̀ kó fà ní tọ̀yà? Èmi máa ń sọ o, ẹni tí wọ́n máa sọ pé Àjùmọ̀bí kankan tàánú kò ní dáa fáyé Àjìmọ̀bí. Àánú tẹ́ ẹ sọ gan kò ní yẹ. Ọmọ ìyá mi mo tiẹ̀ dúpẹ́ Ọlọ́run ṣé o, inú ilé tó lọ jù mí sí, inú ẹbí tó lọ jù mí sí, mo dúpẹ́. Oore ńlá ni. Àjùmọ̀bí ò kan tàánú òfòwò. Bó lọmọ ìyá tí ó ṣe mú ọ tí ó mọ ba tiẹ̀ jẹ́, ẹ wàá mọ lájùmọ̀bí ò kan tàánú. Òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ni o. Ọmọ ìyá kan bá dúró tó lóun fẹ́ ba tọ̀tá èèyàn jẹ́ kéèyàn náà ó ba tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Àjìmọ̀bí olórí ibú tí ò bá kan tàánú, ìwọ ọmọ ìyá tó o bá rọ́mọ ìyá ẹ̀ tó ń bọ́ sí ìhòhò níta gbangba tó ò lè daṣọ àṣírí ìbò lórí ibú ni ọ́. You are a failure. Heartless woman being ló jẹ́. Sọmọ ìyá wa nù. Ọmọ ìyá ní ń jowú ara wọn. Èmi olúwo tí ẹ ṣe èmi ò rí irú ẹ̀ rí ṣá. Lọ́tọ̀dọ̀ Kàrímọ́ lèmi ti ń rí. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn sọ pé ó wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Èmi ò rí rí o. Kémi ó má parọ́ èmi ò rí rí. Eléyìí ká màmá. Ó gbẹnu tán. Ṣọmọwùmí ló kó ba ẹni. Àlè àlékún àìkúkú ṣe pọ́mọ náà ni. Ó gbádùn kan tá a bá ní ìgbádùn tọmọ ìgbà nìyẹn. Àsìkò fọmọwùmí láti rip lélẹ̀. Àsìkò fún ìyá Liam láti jókòó láti jẹ gbádùn ni. Ìsìnkú ọpẹ́ ò sún. Mohbad ibi tó o bá wà ilẹ̀ rẹ ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ilẹ̀ rẹ ló wà. Ibi tó o bá wà ilẹ̀ rẹ ni. Ọlọ́run á máa mú yẹ̀pẹ̀ burúkú á máa mú kúrò lójú ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run á fún ẹ ní agbára tí wàá fi fáwọn olórí ibú, wàá fi fún wọn ní headache. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni áńgẹ́lì kan tọ́lọ́run kan fẹ́ ran ara èèyàn tó fi rán wáyé ni pé ìwọ náà lọ. Tí ẹ lọ bí wọn ò bá tún gbọ́ síwọ náà lẹ́nu. Ìsìnkú tó dáa ni. Èmi mo find it difficult láti bú ẹ, èmi ò lè bú ẹ. Toró lọ tán ò tán lẹ̀. Gbogbo àánú bí ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé èèyàn wò pé Wùmí àsìkò ìgbà tó yẹ kó máa gbádùn rèé. Má wàá worry, èmi náà ò wà ní lọ. Èmi náà á sọ fún bàbá God pé Ọlọ́run o, gbogbo ohun tí mi lè ṣe fọ́mọ ẹ̀ nígbà tí mo wà láyé, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá ń jẹ́ káàánú dìde. Gbogbo àánú, gbogbo bó ṣe fẹ́ tó láyé tóun ò rí dà. tógo bá ti pọ̀ tí wàhálà bá pọ̀ èbó lórin ọlọ́run fọ̀run káàntì àǹtí àdùkẹ́ gòòdù ẹ̀yin náà ọlọ́run ó dẹlẹre fún yín bí ẹ bá wà nítorí ògo ni ọlọ́run mọ̀mọ̀já máa fi kú mọ iye ara wa torí ògo tógo bá ti pọ̀ jù gbà mí ẹ̀mí gan máa ń pín ẹ̀mí máa ń pín ìsìnkú ọkọ ẹ̀ náà wò pé mi ì ní sùn ó yá gbogbo bó ṣe fẹ́ tó láyé ọlọ́run báwọn fi oore kún oore fọ́mọ́wùmí jẹ́ káàánú máa dìde fún gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó mọ̀ rí jẹ́ kó máa ràn lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́run ló grant wish yẹn ọlọ́run ni wo lórí búkọ wà wá dé from nowhere wá máa ṣépè wá máa sọ pé o lè ní ó jí bàtà ó jí kinní kan kútúkú yálà ìyá yín kò ní dáa fún pẹ̀rípẹ̀ gbá yálà ìyá yín tẹ́ bá sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ǹtọ́ ọmọwùmí bá wù ọmọwùmí bó bá wù ọ́ kó lọ kó bọ́ksàsì ọkọ ẹ̀ ogún ẹ̀ ní property ẹ̀ ní feel free bá ṣe pé bí rádaràda àwọn èèyàn tó bá ti tutù jù tó bá wò pé mo respect jù a lot of bullshit òun náà máa fi rẹ́ wọn lára òjò apàbàtà apàjọ wọn jọ ń etí ẹ̀ wà bá mi dánrú ẹ̀ wò kẹ̀ ikú ṣetán tó fẹ́ pa ẹ́ ṣe é ṣetán tó fẹ́ bàjẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ ló lọ́kọ ẹ̀ náà ọlọ́run náà ló sì gbá àwọn èèyàn dìde kí wàá lẹ wá jowú sí ìgbádùn wo lọmọ yẹn gbà bí ó bá páàkì jẹ́ẹ̀lì understanding girlfriend understanding wife ẹlòmíì sọ pé kíní kan ó yá o àwa tàjẹyàwó celebrity gan àwọn ìgbádùn kan tá a gbá gan mo kàn tún máa wò pé ọmọ ìkí wá ló dé tẹ wá gbógun tọmọ ọlọ́mọ ṣọmọ yẹn ló ba ayé yín jẹ́ lọmọ yẹn ló ní kórìí yín burú ni ṣọmọ yẹn ló ní káyé yín ó ta pa ò bí gúgúrú ẹlẹ́ta ni kí ló dé ẹ̀dẹ̀ sinmi ẹ̀dọ̀ kẹ́ kórí ibú yín dànù kẹ́ kó fò lọ kẹ́ kó sì dànù káyé yín tó ti bàjẹ́ kó lọ bàjẹ́ síwájú Kàrímọ́ kò sí sinmi fún ọ ò ní sinmi whether you like it or not ò ní rest there's no peace for the wicked ò ní sinmi sẹ́ kí ló dé ògo yẹn ti tàn ògo ọmọwùmí ti tàn àwọn ìyá àlùbáríkà tán gbé wọ́n ti mọ́jà wọ́n ti fi só wo ọjà tó pọ̀ náà òun náà ní fọ́mọ́wùmí ọjà ẹyọ kankan wọ́n fi pọn Wùmí o tó o bá fẹ́ gbọ́ ọjà tán fi pọn ó pọ̀ wọ́n fi kan síbi ẹsẹ̀ wọ́n fi kan síbi itan wọ́n fi kan síbi ìdí ẹ̀ wọ́n fi kan síbi ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ tó mọ̀ pé wọ́n á ní ẹ tó rí ọmọ ṣe kó rí ọmọ Wùmí má bàa wọ̀ wọ́n fọ̀jà kan síbi ọ̀rọ̀
mélòó ni gbogbo ẹ̀
ó fẹ́ ọjà tí wọ́n fi pọn ọmọ Wùmí lọ bí 20
dọ́sìn kan ni
dọ́sìn kan ni
one dozen
ọlọ́run sì tí ì gbọ́ 1 dozen náà fi pọn ọmọ Wùmí o wọ́n ti pọ́n lápọ̀yé ní o pé Wùmí ò ní jà ò lè jábọ́ sẹ́ ò lè jábọ́ wọ́n pọn Wùmí bí ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé èèyàn bá lójú ogun ni òun náà ṣe gbé pọ̀n kò dẹ̀ ní jábọ́ lágbára lọ́wọ́ lọ Liam Àwòyè ní ọ̀rẹ́dì tó lórí ibú yín tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá rí pa ọlọ́run tí bẹ̀rù ọlọ́run ìpayọ̀ ọlọ́run tí ò sì fa aláyé bàjẹ́ gbogbo yín tẹ́ ẹ̀ rántí pé kò sí tá a mú wá á díjú èmi ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ bóyá nítorí pé mi máa ń ronú nǹkan yẹn láyé mi ṣe máa ń fúyẹ́ àti ronú pé wò dákun ní tí bá ti rí ṣe lónìí mi ò rí ṣe nu o ọlọ́run bá ti lè jí mi lọ́la n ó rí ṣe bí n bá sì jí èmi kọ́ mo nira mi ọba tó ní mí ló ní mí ẹ̀yin ẹ wá ṣe bí ẹni pé ẹ̀yin lẹ láyé ẹ̀ ṣe bíi pé ẹ̀yin àtọlọ́run lẹ́jọ́ ń darí ayé Kàrímọ́ kò ní í dá fún ọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sẹ́ Kàrímọ́ kò ní yí ọ̀sẹ̀ ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ ni bó o ṣe ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ orí burúkú ẹ̀ láti day one táwọn èèyàn láwọn ń bí ọ̀mẹ́lẹ́mì ò lẹ́bẹ̀ẹ́ kan tí ń bí olórí ibú ẹ̀ torí mi ò expect pé àsìkò ìgbà tí ayé dìde tán kọ̀yìn sọmọ ọlọ́mọ olólórí ibú tiẹ̀ náà yẹ kó o bóde kò ní kinní kan ó jẹ́ lọ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ sísá tèmi àti sísá abẹ́fẹ́ kó o kí wọn kó o
ẹ
yìn
jọ
wọn èmi ti
mo
fẹ́
ní
wá fún ẹ
question
tipẹ́
kan mo ní
kò
question
ní
kan ẹ má
ṣe
bínú Mr. Láìdé pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tá a gbọ́ léni yìí ṣé ká wá sọ wípé lawyers don't last thieves wọ́n promise Kàrímọ́ ní owó kan tó bá lè bá wọn drag Wùnmí àbí tó kó bá ṣé ṣe pé wọ́n ti promise ẹ̀ ní nǹkan kan ṣá.
ṣe náírà sí ló ń lò ní ẹ̀yin ìrí tẹ́yìn wò yẹn yín ò tí mọ̀ pé ọpọlọ torí pé láyàzí rí i pé ọpọlọ Kàrímọ́ kéré ṣé mo sọ fún yín náà torí pórípọ́ ọpọlọ Kàrímọ́ tínrín ṣé èèyàn tó wo tó mọ àwọn angles tí láyàzí ti try ni sista tèmi
because
tẹ bá ń sùn
reason
ẹ mọ
reason tí mo
gbọ́
fi
o
sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ reason tí mo fi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wípé ṣe mọ̀ pé Bufes náà sọ wípé owó Ọmọ́wùnmí ló wọ kinní lójú so that's the reason tó fi lọ sí Naija kó bẹ́ẹ̀ ò máa rí owó kò wá rí owó yẹn right àwọn kan wá promise ẹ níbi pé tó bá lè bá wa ṣe báyìí ṣe báyìí ṣe báyìí a máa fọ because èmi ò fẹ́ bìlì pé ó ṣe lójú lásán ni
my
tọ́ba ní
darling
ká gbogbo
sister
yóò
kò
tún
ṣe
wọnú
lójú
ara
lásán
wọn
kò
gbogbo
ṣe
ẹ̀ tún
no
wọnú
no no
ara
you are
wọn.
right mọ tán ṣe wọ́n ṣe níṣe bí ẹni pé wọ́n jẹ́ kó dàbí ẹni pé nítorí pé wọ́n wà ní kinní kò yé yín torí pé a wà labroad a lot of people á dáa fún yín God bless you the sweetest bí ìgbà pé ṣe mọ̀ pé wọ́n wà tó bá jẹ́rú àwa tá a wà ní Nàìjíríà irú èmi ní ìsìn wọn ò ní gbòòlẹ̀ tí ní orí tẹ́lẹ̀ ìlú le already yóò royalty gbogbo ẹ̀ but èèyàn tó wà lamẹ́ríkà a lot of people tẹ̀lé fojú sí wọn ò lè fojú síbẹ̀ rárá pé ṣe tó wà lamẹ́ríkà ṣé kò wá rí nǹkan rí jẹ ni ìgbà tí gbogbo wọn ti ń gbọ́ then kéńkélé Liam GoFundMe tó ń ṣí fún ọmọ yẹn ihun tí Kàrímọ́ bá wá ni pé Ọlọ́run ṣeun àbúrò òun kú níyàwó olóògùn
God bless you God bless you.
gbogbo nǹkan tí bá ti sọ fún ni tí bá ti sọ fọ́mọ́wùmí gbogbo ẹ̀ ló máa dáńsù
mi máa mọ̀ pé chubby mi ti bọ́lẹ̀
wọ́n ti
tẹ bá
bọ́lẹ̀
send request ajá liberation mo ní pọ̀ wọlé nísìn liberation ti máa sùn báyìí.
exactly so wọ́n ti believe pé olórí burúkú Kàrímọ́ ti believe pé mélòó la rẹ̀ tí bá sọ fún ní ìsìn pé owó yìí bẹ́ sí iye báyìí ni kò bẹ́ sí iye tó máa kàn mí nì iye tó máa ṣe kí so gbogbo ohun tí gbogbo tán bá wá nìyẹn nígbà tọ́lọ́ náà dẹ̀ máa mú wọn.
Adéláìdé sorry to stop you ẹ rí i pé nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀